So you guys, very good. Many of the students got this answer. It was little tough, but you guys really, you cracked it. Yeah, you nailed it. Actually, you nailed it. Superb work. Even Divya Rani got right answer. Very good. Congrats, the one who got the answer. So this we need to multiply. Slowly I will explain. So we will multiply minus root 2 into 3 root 2. Okay, so we'll get minus 3 root 4. Exactly. So minus 3 into 2. Root 4 is 2, correct? So we'll get minus 6. Right, Arfad Hussaini, very good. You got. So now we need to think a table again. And the table, whatever the number you take should give you minus 5. If you add or subtract, it should give you minus 5. So like previous one, same table, 6 ones are 6, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Same table, yeah, correct, Krishnaj. So 3 root 2 x square minus 6x plus 1x minus root 2 equals to 0. Right, boys and girls? So difficult task is what you know in this is common. How to take common, especially the common in first. This is very difficult to take common. There is no problem to take common in second part. You can see second part is that easy. But a difficult task to take common in first part. So I will give you even an idea how to take common. Let us take common in this. Okay, definitely the person will go to take common 3 ones are and 3 twos are. Surely the person will go. 3 is definitely a common. Even the x is also a common, definitely. But another problem is what here? If I just take 3x common, 1 minute. If I take 3x common, then remaining will be root 2x minus 2, right? Here 3x common, so root 2 remain and x remain and 3 twos are. But here when I see the common is 1, nothing is common 1, so x minus root 2. You can see these both are not same. Not same. So I feel that there is some mistake. Here I can't do any mistake. Here there is no chance. I can't do any mistake because here simple, it is very simple. This is absolutely right. So by thinking this is right, I should take common here. So here root 2 we have and here 2 we have. Still I can take common. In 2 and root 2 I can take common. Right? So in 2 and root 2 what will be common? Root 2 will be common. Okay. So I will erase it and I will explain you once again so that you will get a clear idea about this stuff. The one who got their master, you know, really a very good one. So let's see. Obviously 3 is common and even root 2 is common as we discussed and x. So remaining 3 root 2x means here 1, I mean x. Okay, and here we need a 6. So it was, if I were taking 3 common, then it was coming 2. Now here root 2 is also common, so here will come root 2. Okay, and here plus 1 is common and x minus root 2. If you get any doubt in this, now what you wrote here, same you should write here. Finish. What you wrote here, same you should write. So easiest thing is that only you can do. But really you want to understand, I will show you one more way. So answer is x minus root 2. Answer is x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to root 2, correct? Another answer is 3 root 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. This will come here, 3 root 2 x is equal to minus 1. We'll get x is equal to minus 1 by 3 root 2. That's it, yeah. So simple it is. Understood? Anybody's having doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Anybody's having any doubt? So what the student will be having doubt in this? Like, okay, sir, you said 3 common, 3x is obviously we understood. Here root 2x, okay, perfect. Here 2, that is okay. So here 1 is okay and here x minus root 2 also we understood. This was clear. But now problem is, sir, here it is different and here it is different. and then you are telling something else to take common. That is so okay. So this is 3x, okay. But you can see in here root 2 and here 2, I can take root 2 common again. Okay, extra step, and I'm making you to understand. I can take root 2 common. Remaining will be x. In root 2 table, 2 will come again root 2, right? Because root 2 into 2, 2 will get. So now same. So now you can see answer, we got it. And what we got, that also same. We got 3 root 2x. We did this one we did in 2 step. We did this in 2 step. So one who have little, the basics are not that strong, they can go with this 2 step. That is also okay. One who is very good in that basics, strong basics is there, then you can do directly. So boys and girls, these are your homework. 3 questions are your homework. It's very easy, slightly a medium level difficult. This is again an easy one. Slight difficult. Let's see who will get the answer. Not now. Okay, you can submit your homework. I will give you the next question. We'll go to the next main. See, the question is what? Find the 2 number. Find 2 number. So let the 2 numbers. Let the 2 numbers be. See, there are 2 numbers are there whose sum is 27. Okay. Let the 1 number is x. Obviously, a 1 number is x. Correct? So 2 number thing. First number plus second number. Total is 27. This first number we have taken x, correct? This is second number is equal to 27, correct? So this second number I want, so x we will take this side. So what we will get? Second number is equal to 27 minus x. So let the 2 numbers be what? X and 27 minus x. Any doubt? Any doubt? Understood the concept? First number plus second number is equal to 27. First number we have taken as x, we have assumed. So second number is equal to 27 minus x. Any doubt? Directly you should do, but just I explained you initially starting questions now. So next now, they gave the product is 182. What's the product? The product is 182. So both multiply. Product means multiplication. So x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. This is the product. So multiply 27 into x, 27x. X into x will get minus x square is equal to 182. So finally, take this whole equation this side. So we will get minus x square will become plus x square minus 27x. And 182 was on right hand side. So this is on right hand side plus 182. Now you know the next step is factorization. Factorization. 182 is a directly I don't know what factor I should take. So I will go with what? I will go with factor method. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are. Now in this 91 will go in 7 tables, so 7 1s are and 7 3s are 13 1s are 13. Right? I need a difference 27. I need 27. So clearly I can take 7 2s are 14 and this is 13. So 14, 13. I want minus 27, so keep both minus over x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equals to 0. Take common in this 2, will get x common, x minus 14. Take common in this minus 13 common, will get x minus 14. Surely these both will be same. These both will be 101% same. Always we know that. Nothing to say in that. So we'll get x minus 13 equals to 0. So x equals to 13. X minus 14 equals to 0. So x equals to 14. So both the numbers are. Therefore, 2 numbers are 13 and 14. Both the numbers are 13. Are 14 and 13 you write? Are 13 and 14 both are same? Okay. So everyone on your screen now, this is not that difficult, yeah. Find two consecutive integer. Consecutive integer they are talking. They did not say anything about even or odd. Okay. So solution, let two consecutive integers be. See, just two consecutive integers means like 1, 2, 3 like that. So x plus 1 are two consecutive integers. This is x. How much you will add to 1 to get 2? You will add x plus 1. If they give even or odd, then you will write x comma x plus 2. If they give even, x comma x plus 2. If even they give odd, x comma x plus 2. Okay. Now next data, what they say? Sum of sum. So first we will write sum. Okay, sum. Sum of whose square? This is very important word. Whose square? Square. Sum of whose square? So this is square and this square is 365. So this is what, if you get this one now, rest is very normal, you know. So x square, now here apply a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 365. So this x square plus x square both are like terms, so add it. We will get 2x square plus 2 ones are 2, 2x plus 1. Get this one here, minus 365 equals to 0. So we will get 2x square plus 2x. Here 1 minus 365, what will get? Minus 364 equals to 0. This is very simple now. Divided by 2 you do. 2 is common, so divided by 2 you do. 2 is common. 2 is common, so better to do. Not compulsory, better to do. You will get a reduced form. X square plus x minus 2 ones are 2 eights are 182. Now you can do it. So we have minus 182 factors to take. Okay. So let us take 182. 2 nines are 2 ones. The same like previous one, I think. Yeah. Same. 14 and 13. 14 13s are. We want plus 1, so minus. X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equals to 0. Common you take x common, x plus 14 minus 13 common, x plus 14 equals to 0. So both the answer we will get now. So we'll get x minus 13 equals to 0. So x equals to 13. This positive answer will be there always. Okay. Another one, x plus 14 equals to 0. X equals to minus 14. Done. So they asked what to find? They asked what? Two consecutive integers. So therefore, two consecutive integers are 13 and 13 plus 1. You know now we have taken x and x plus 1. Correct? Now these are the two consecutive integers. So what the answer? 13 and 14. Array 1 minute. It is not shared. Acha, you was telling that directly two numbers, Chetan. Okay, right. I thought you are telling this answer. Chetan, I thought this one you are telling. Actually, we were asking this. Okay, fine. Right. Okay. So these are the actual answer. Two numbers. Right. Very good. Chalo. See, this is ABC. It is a right angle triangle. Fine. Okay, Farat. This is 13 hypotenuse. Altitude means height. You know, altitude means height. Height is this. Height is this. Okay, Rekha. Altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less. So let solution we will do. Let the base be x centimeter. So base is x and altitude is 7 centimeter less. Simple. Now you should go with which here? So in right angle triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, Pythagoras theorem. So AC is, you know, 13 square, AB is x minus 7 and BC is x square. So 13 square is 169, A minus B whole square. So A minus B, A square minus 2AB plus B square, and this is plus x square. So these two are like terms, x square and x square. And this 169 we will take this side. So we will get here 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equals to 0. So here we will get 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equals to 0. Again you can divide by 2, you can see clearly 2 is common.